I'm going to be real with you guys. It did not look like this yesterday. I've been meaning to clean my PC for weeks and weeks now because I had not cleaned it since April, and that's a really long time between cleans. But with the new Path of Exile League coming this weekend, I knew I had to do it. Honestly, it hasn't been doing great, and the Path of Exile was just a final push, and I finally did it. And since I had to clean my PC, I thought, hey, let's do a whole clean of the whole setup. So grab your cozy drink, settle in, and let me show you the whole process of cleaning this chaos. Okay, so let me show you the situation we are working with. This is my streaming and gaming setup where I create content, play games, do all my editing, and it works. But it's been neglected. Specifically, my PC has been neglected the most because obviously I clean my desk every other day, but I have not cleaned my PC since April, which is so bad. And my PS5, well, to be honest, because she sits right in front of me, I do notice when the front panel has a little bit of dust, and I do clean it, but I have not removed the panels to clean this console ever since I moved into this apartment, which has been over a year. And also ever since I moved my desk, my Govee lights remained on the other wall, which they're kind of useless there, so I decided to take the opportunity and move them too. Alright, let's get started. First, I'm gonna remove everything from the desk so we can start with an empty space. I'm taking both the PC and the PS5 out to the balcony so I can remove the dust away from my working space. Sorry, mom's plants. They always suffer with my dust. So for cleaning a PC, usually your best friend is compressed air. So I had this rechargeable gun. It works pretty well. Now, looking at the PC from the outside, it does not look that bad, especially because I do clean that frontal panel quite regularly because, you know, I can see it. But when you open it, my dear God, please don't make my mistake and clean your fans. For my first round, I do go with the air gun in all the spaces. But for the fans, I really need to get in there with some wipes and just get all that horrible dust. And I have a lot of fans, so this takes a while. Now, the part that gathers most dust is actually my CPU cooler, which I'm actually lazy to, disassemble. I only do that when I change the thermal paste, which I don't need yet. I did not record this specific part when I was blowing air on the whole CPU cooler. Oh my God, the dust was just flying everywhere, and my bad. I really should have recorded that one. And this is the after. Well, is it perfect? No, but it's so much better, and I really noticed how much quiet and lower temperatures it has right now, so I'm happy with it. All right, next for the PS5, this one was really quick. I just removed the plates on both sides. The fans, they were a bit dusty. I get it, my bad, sorry. And then I just wiped the plates on both sides. That one was quick. I'm really sorry for neglecting you, PS5. You deserve better. All right, with the electronics all clean, I also give the whole desk a wipe. All my lights, all my monitors, everything got a little nice wipe. Everything was dusty. Even where my PC sits, because I do not actually remove it from its place. Look how dirty the desk in that specific spot was. Honestly, can you see both of my mouse pads are incredibly dirty? I actually spilled coffee all over one of them and I had to switch. I just already spent so much time with this clean that I did not have time for the mouse pad. Next time, I promise. With all surfaces clean, it's time to move these lights. I actually took a while to decide if I wanted these lights to be behind me or behind my monitor. In the end, I decided putting them behind my monitor. I think I can think of some cool things to do with them this way. And even though they're a bit time consuming, they're pretty easy to change positions because they are just stuck to the wall wall with adhesive. I had to get some command strips to replace the original ones, but we got them there. Let's see how it looks. As for the cable management, honestly, I don't think it was absolutely horrible. I was just a bit lazy and I had some cables going on top of the desk and instead of going under the desk. So I just fixed that and now, it looks better. There are some cables that are really hard to 100% hide just because they're not long enough. They're not long enough. I cannot do the whole beautiful cable. There are visible cables, but I'm fine with it. All of you cable management experts, I'm sorry. This works for me. And we're done. Look at this. I am really proud because I think it looks beautiful. What do you guys think? After spending about 2 hours cleaning, dusting, moving things, I was honestly very tired and my back was hurting because I'm old. The whole thing is very satisfying and I love how the whole thing looks now. This is where I spend most of my days. It deserves to be treated well and be cozy. I'm really happy with how it looks and I'm totally ready for gaming all weekend long. If you've been putting off cleaning your setup, your PC, your consoles, this is your sign. Just do it. You will love it. You're gonna feel so much better after. So why don't you all tell me in the comments, when was the last time you cleaned your PC? Are you actually better than me at keeping your PC and setup clean? Or have you not cleaned it in longer than I have? If you enjoyed this video and want to see more videos like it, don't forget to subscribe. If you want to stay in the Pattyverse and learn more about my content creation journey, just click here and go watch this video. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!